Hi, Fatan Farhana here. So I will explain about the registration page. So basically, registration page is for the new organization that wanted to join us, that wanted to be under us. Um, all they have to do is just click the want to join us button, and it will be directed to the registration page. In this page, the company just need to input two different things, which is their company name and their company email address. This is like a pre-registration. After they have registered, their application will be sent to our admins, and the admins will either reject or approve them. So the flow is like, when the new registration registered, the application will be sent to charity request table, and once the admin approve the application, their details or their name, their company name and their email address will be sent to organization, which is organization is the registered company. So let's try this out. We say our company name is Cats Need Home, and the email address Cats Need Home. And we say we send request, which is we want to register our company. They will be said successfully registered, application will be reviewed. This is when the details will be sent to the charity request table, and after admin approved, it will be sent to the organization table. So now we have registered our company, Cats Need Home. Now we will see either the details has been sent to our admins or not. And so here we see, right, the ID number 14, Cats Need Home, and our email address that we registered before. And the admin has the choice either to accept or reject. So that's how the registration page is. If the admin accept, the application successful. If it reject, then you have to try again.
Hi, it's me Shafika. Now I want to explain a little bit the part that I did, which is the donation page that we include in our system. So before that, to go to the donation page, you need to click this donate option from the menu bar, and then it will direct you to the donation page. Okay. Basically, this page is for the user who wants to make a donation to any organization that are going to help those people who are in need. Then, as you can see here, there is a donate here button. Then, if you click this button, it will bring you to the payment gateway. Here, you need to fill in this form, like insert your name, okay, and then your email, and choose any amount that you want to donate, like right now 100 ringgit, and also the organization that you want to make the donation. Okay, so like right now I want to choose We Care Charity Sendirian Berhad. Okay, and then as you click this pay button, okay, there will be a note that will tell you that your details has been recorded, and also the transaction has successful. Okay, for example, like this, and then it will return you to the home page. Okay.
Hello, I am a representative for Sharissa Henry because she cannot send large files over due to her bad internet connection. So she did the volunteering part in our project. So here this is the homepage, and here we go to the volunteering part. So the volunteering page, there's quotes, and then you can click here to view it. So here you can see there's a list of organizations that already posted events, their respective events. So let's say you are interested in helping the old people. So there's a picture of Karen, And yeah, you can read the details, and then you click I volunteer. So when you click this, you register as a volunteer. So how does it work? Really is that you register your number, and then the person will, or not the person, I'm sorry, the organization will contact you later on. So already filled in, register, created successfully, and done. And to show you that it went into our database, volunteer, and there you go, randy@gmail.com. The person went for number 12, organization number 12. So that's all for volunteering. Thank you very much. Hello, greetings. This is Harunisa Yasmin's part. I as a representative will show you her part in the project. She did the organization part, which is the manage profile. So here we are at the login page. I'm going to log in as a company, and the company I'm going to log in is Anak Permai here. So here I logged in, and then this is the page. The home page shows how many donations the company has received and how many total donors they already received. And then a notice, the profile you can see here, they already completed the profile. To update the profile, just click this and then you can change it. I'm going to show you the changes. And so this is the changes, update. And then when you see here back, it's already changed. You go to events and this will come up. To post event, click here, and then you can post any event, let's say. So from here you can post image or not. So I will post an image. I will choose this image of Karen's, and then the status can be yes or no. For now I'm gonna put no, and the description is something like this, and then submit. Alright, so when we check back, it's there, but the event status is N, and let's say we want to edit it, so you can just change it to Y. The description will be help the elder scrub. So submit, and you go back and it's there, it's updated. So that is for the event. And if you want to delete an event, let's say we want to delete Anak Yatim Gotong Royong, delete it successfully, and then it's gone. To see here, the Anak Yatim is gone. Anak Yatim post is gone. So, and then next we move on to volunteers. For volunteering, it just shows list of volunteers that applied to volunteer in our event. So the organization can call or email the volunteer for further discussions. So that is all for organization part. Thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Wanur Azli Miti Abdullah, and in this project I did the admin part, which is manage system part. So here is the home page. To go to the admin part, you need to log in. However, I need to demonstrate to you that the request enters the admin's part. So I'm going to put in some details. Of course, the only lack is that I do not check the domain, but that can be added, don't worry. So application reviewed, go back, and then I will log in as an admin. So as an admin, and then logged in. So here is the admin's part. So for admin, there's 5 accessible functions: home, donation, request, profile, and logout. So for home, here you can see there's a list of organizations that already been accepted into our management system, and also shows if they have filled in their details or not. This is important because if the organization have not filled in the details, especially for description, their company will not show up in our homepage. So, and the admin can also contact them via email. Next is donation. For this part, I added in because I thought to myself, if let's say there's a problem with the donors, with the payment, and they need to check the donors, something like that. We don't have that specifically in our functions, so I decided to add it in the admin so that there's an interface for it. So for payment, you can see there's one organization already received, and that is Pet Scare. So here you can see Pet Scare received one donor for 50 ringgit, the name and the email. The other companies have not received it, so there will be no result for that. Next is request. As you can see, the admin needs to accept or reject an organization. So here we have 3 organizations requesting to be a part of us, which is WeWe, this, and like so. Let's say I want to accept WeWe. I accepted WeWe and it's gone. I go back to home and then WeWe is here. From the database, you will see in organization WeWe, and you can also see the password is auto-generated as well. The only difference is at the back, the numbers are random. And in the request part, WeWe is gone. So next I'm going to reject this one because what name is this? Reject. It's gone. It's not added, and you can see here it's also deleted. So that's for request. Next up is profile. For profile, the admin can change their name, email, and password. So for password, it's the same thing. One is both of them are updating the password into a new one. The difference is that for forgot password, the admin needs to prompt in their email, and for change password, just current password and new password. But let me show you for the name and email. So for the name, I'm going to change it to Tete, and then for the email, I'm going to change it to Tete45, and then the password is Jiminji. Submit. I already changed it and I logged out. If I refresh it here, you can see it changed to Tete45, and it moved down because the SQL itself organizes it in alphabetical order. Sorry. So I submit it and you can see it changes to Tete. So for forgot password, I'm gonna put in my current email, which is Tete45, and then change my password to Jungkook90. Submit and change it, and then when I refresh it, you can see it changed to Jungkook90. So I logged in back just to see you that it works, because if you notice, I have the password hash here. So every time the user changes their password, the hash also changes as well, or else cannot be logged in. So here it is, already logged in. The same goes for change password, but the difference is the user inserts or input their current password to see if it matches, and then can update to new password. So that is for admin. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And that's me logging out.